Bro, I'm so excited to drive this again, bro. A couple years ago, I had my first experience with a C63 AMG. That was with my boy Jay, that is holding this camera. Jay, say hello.
Hi.
We're gonna be driving his C63, which carries a crap ton of lore for him and even for my channel as well. He met me when I had like 5,000 subscribers, and here we are at 55,000 3 years later. But let's go ahead and show this veteran C63. I mean, this car has seen a lot. As you guys know, this is a W204 C63 AMG. This is the first C63. It's also fitted with the M156 naturally aspirated 6.2 liter, not a 6.3. It made about 450 horsepower back in the day. In this review, we're not really gonna talk too much about the cost behind it, the real technical stuff. We're just gonna take it out for a drive, man, catch up. But we'll do a follow-up video where we're gonna go over all of the modifications and all the things that he's done to the car. But I think we should give this car a little bit of a rev, wake it up a little bit. Bro, I'm so excited to drive this again, bro. Like, let me tell you, it's a powerful, it's a soothing, but it's
But it's also very unique.
Let's get going.
If y'all ever wonder just what, you know, how bad the gas mileage is in this, it can be very good and it can be very bad. It all depends on how heavy your right foot is. So the worst I've gotten on a day-to-day driving,
Can I guess? 9.
no, 4.7.
That's insane. You know, you don't buy this car for the interior, but I will say that it is pretty impressive how it has the wooden inserts over here, the leather seats. Actually, the bolsters feel amazing. I was actually so shocked at how tight they are.
I mean, I can make it tighter if you want.
That's what she said. Bro! Bro, it's so addicting. Stock suspension, right? You haven't had to change it out or anything?
No coils, no springs, nothing. This is still the same OEM from the factory. 100% OEM.
That's insane. It
Yep.
just shows the quality.
Oh yeah.
Literally, the roads are wet. We have a rear-wheel drive, 450 crank horsepower, and this shit is not spinning out. Bro, what do you have?
I told you.
What do you have?
Gotta let go.
Oh my lord.
I told you, man.
Ah! Bro!
I told you.
That's...
Put it all the way down, there's different.
Oh, lordy, 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 lordy. That's crazy. Like, that's crazy, dude. Oh my god.
And you can also test the brakes out too. They're pretty good. 6 piston.
You good? You good? We're good. 6 piston brakes up front and in the rear? 4.
Yes, sir.
Damn.
Initial impression?
I mean, it's freaking awesome, man. I will never say no to a W204 C63.
Now, turn off traction control completely though.
No. Oh, no.
This is your first initial impression with traction control completely off.
I don't, honestly, I don't remember if we had the traction control off, the first POV that I did.
Oh, yeah, that
I don't think I did, so this should be really interesting. Still hooks.
Still hooking.
Wonderfully, too.
Mind you, traction control is completely off.
That's
100% off. All you have is just ABS.
So the pre-facelifted don't have formal launch control, so we're just gonna do literally just like a slow roll into it. Oh, there it is! There it is! Oh my Lord!
Yeah. Crazy, right?
Nah, man, that's really freaking impressive.
I've raced a stock C63 and walked it. This car has a tune of sorts. I'm not sure what tune, who tuned it. You know, I've gutted the air boxes. I've put down pipes on this car. The car came with secondary cat delete. I've kept the mufflers though. Those are not leaving this car.
That's kind of absurd. Good brake test, good brake test. Clearly, BMWs are at it again.
Yeah, always.
Literally always, bro. Mm-hmm.
So I think what you guys should do is smash that subscribe button. All right, smash the subscribe button because boy, he needs another C63.
Downshifts are pretty responsive too, and I love how these are, they're not like the clicky like Aventador style, you know what I mean, but they still have a really good feedback.
Yeah, they have like a nice metallic.
Come on. Thank you to the bus. Yeah. All right, guys, so now we're going to hear some flybys of this car. That is absurd. Nah, no way you were doing this right now, dude. What are new tires? Oh man. Well guys, there you have it. That is the first impression, kind of getting behind the wheel again of a C63 AMG, a W204. Man, it's good to see it again and good to drive it again. Aside from the whole power steering thing, I mean, the car handled great. You were mentioning that it rubs a little bit in the back. That's whatever. I mean, you got a lot of things back there.
You have the more positive it's on.
Yo.
Says that he knows you from the Imagine being recognized. Could not be me. That's
not yet, bro. Not yet. I mean, bro, it took a while. It took a while. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did driving this car. I mean, again, it's never a dull moment with the C63, especially the W204 generation. I mean, it's special. It's a gem. Stay tuned for the next video where we actually are going to take this car through Miami. We're going to do more terrorizing, more crazy sound clips, more POV drive, and we're going to talk about the things that has been done to this car, what to look out for. We're going to get all that information for you guys in the next video. Let me know in the comments section below, is this really the most iconic C63? I cannot wait to do more content with this car.